Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the iron's voltage and the correct plug type. This prevents mismatches. Once done, make sure the unit is unplugged and the breaker is off, and gather an insulated screwdriver, wire stripper, and a replacement fuse. Now open the plug by removing the screws, exposing the terminals. You need to see the live, neutral, and earth screw posts. This first step sets up a safe workspace, so you avoid mistakes later and understand where each conductor will land. You now prepare the cord. Strip about 8 to 10 mm of insulation and twist the stranded wires to keep them compact. This improves contact and prevents stray strands. Next, route the sheath under the cord grip and insert the brown live into L, blue neutral into N, and green yellow into the earth terminal. Why this matters is conductivity and safety. Tighten each terminal firmly so the copper sits snugly. Make sure the cord grip clamps the outer sheath, not the inner conductors, for strain relief. You finish by installing the correct fuse for the iron, replacing the plug cover, and tightening screws evenly so nothing shifts. This secures the assembly. Once done, restore power and test the iron on a low heat setting while checking earth continuity with a tester. This verifies safe grounding and functional wiring. If you encounter no heat, sparks, or a tripping earth, turn power off immediately and recheck terminal tightness, fuse condition, and that the cord grip isn't pinching conductors. Those fixes resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.